What's going on, gamers? It's Domino, obviously. Who did you think it was? Some Brad kid or something? Okay, anyways, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a block completely brick, Lego, whatever, completely invisible in Roblox Studio. So, first, you want to load up Roblox Studio. I cannot close it because my screen recorder is poo-poo in the headzos, and will do bad boy, and will stop recording. So you want to select the part, like, so when you go, you can either go to model or home. You can also scroll to do that, but I normally just click. Anyways, you can go. So the part over here is what you need. Just if you also a little tip: if you want to become a game developer, never use the free models. Only use the free models made by Roblox, and you can do this by pressing this little scale, Roblox, and then see, you can do that. But we're not focusing on that today. You need to click a brick, but you have to have properties open. If you do not have properties open, this will not work. So if you need properties open, you go to View, and then right here is Properties. Right here, View, Properties, and then this will pop up. You need to select your brick, by using the Explorer if you have it open. If you do not, I would recommend opening it by going to View and then Explorer, and you can do it that way. And then right here is transparency, and then if you click on that, you can either type it 1, or you can use this, which we'll do it. And that's really it. If you're looking to do more of a glass texture, depending on the type of game you're making, if it's more of a clean game, probably around 0.5, maybe even 0.8. But if it's more of a dirty game, maybe a bit more thick, like maybe 15 or 3. But anyways, have a great, epic, fantastic morning, and I will see you, I don't know, hopefully tomorrow. Ready,